Guys, Anthony here, Bibles and Barbells. Going to do a shout out video today to my good friend from the Armored Cockroach channel out in the UK. I'll put his channel in the description box. If you are not subscribed to him, you need to. He's got lots of good videos, very knowledgeable, very well prepared. I believe he's also been in a series called the UK Preppers, National Geographic show depicting UK preppers, and he's been in one of those so far. He's also involved on the news channels out there and just letting people know what skills they need to have in prepping, and just an all-around great guy, good family man, a veteran also. And he sent me before the holidays these two items that I have not even opened yet and that I'm going to just do a quick review on. One of them is called a survival bag, and I've never seen this, so I'm gonna just go over it here. It's like an all-around, it's like one of those Bivies that you would get here in the US. Again, this is a very good item to have in a kit, in a pack. It could save your life, and we'll get that opened and take a look at how it is. It's made by Blizzard Protection Systems, and there's the address: blizzardsurvival.com. And then the other one is made by Blizzard again, and this is an ambulance absorbent blanket. It's for warmth, obviously. Haven't opened it yet, but let's get it opened and see what it looks like. Okay. Again, these were gifts from my good friend Armored Cockroach out in the UK. So check out his channel, it's well worth it. Alright guys, we got both these items open from my friend Roach, the Armored Cockroach in the UK. The first up is the survival bag, which is right here. This was the block that you saw. I kind of took it out of its package if you want to get a shot here. This is an excellent item, guys, to have. I've got inside it. I'm going to get inside it again and show you how much of your body you can cover up with this. But again, it's got a nice draw cord on it, which is right here. So you could cinch it down around your head. Very well made and easy to get in. You know, with a good ground cloth down or some vegetation underneath you, this can make a great little survival shelter. Again, here's your cinch cord. You know, you can pull this up around your head, and you can cinch this down like this. You get this in, and there you go. And this thing is warm, guys. An excellent survival blanket, survival shelter to have in your pack or as part of your gear. Thank you, Roach, for this excellent prep. Okay, let's get out and check out our... Try not to bust it. And next up, we got the Blizzard ambulance blanket. That's right here. It's 2 meters by 1.5 meters, and again, this could be taken, draped around you just like this, keep you warm. Another great item to have. Okay guys, so we got the Blizzard blanket right here. And Blizzard survival bag. Thanks for watching. Let me know your comments, questions. Anthony signing off. Stay ready.